if I don't explain what they need to be doing in those first 5 to 10 minutes and what they should be doing with their partner in the next 15 or so minutes, then by the time we get to the share with the entire classroom part, they have nothing to share because they haven't done the first two parts the right way.
We're doing something today called Think, Pair, Share. The idea here is you're going to watch a video. It's about 3 minutes long. You get to pick one of the 3 videos that are in today's stuff on Brightspace, okay? Any one of them. If you have earbuds, be kind to everyone else and use them because otherwise it gets really loud in here for a little while. Then take a few minutes, list as many of these components as you can think of on your own before you talk to anyone. Then you will pair with your partner. For most of you, that's kind of a usual partner nowadays. And talk about the different things that you saw. Then you will actually share it with the class at large. So think, pair, and then share with the rest of us.
For the most part, this seems to be one of the best ways of engaging students in a concept that has already been introduced in the previous class session and now I'm asking them to actually do something with it. There's often people who this is the first moment that they really have that aha, I think I get it, because in lecture mode they're just listening. This makes them actually apply what they were listening about.
So pick one of these, any one of these 3. Watch it through once, write down the things you see, and then we will go on. That means you want to do that first and fairly quickly. Start making a list of the things you saw from this list. So different aspects of appeals to logos or appeals to ethos, etc. And in 5 minutes or less, we're going to have you start talking to your partner about the different things that you each saw. And I also said, your list right now only has to make sense to you. Don't worry about it making sense to anyone else, including me. Okay, realizing that you probably do not have a full list yet, it's okay. Now what I want you to do is start talking to your partner about what each of you saw. This is the pairing up with somebody part. Okay, 5 more minutes, and then I'm going to ask each group to share with us the biggest thing they saw in their particular ads. The thing they thought was most interesting, most frustrating, rhetorically speaking. Since apparently we are done talking enough to be looking at grades instead, we're going to start with the people up at the far corner over here. Tell me about the amazing rhetorical strategies you found.
Okay.
In any situation where you're dealing with something where they have to think about it, be able to discuss it in some way, and then implement it, this particular strategy can really be helpful.
Dude, now you're making me think.
I'm making you think.
Sure.
That's what you paid me for.
Then ethos is the person who's loving.